You have heard top creators saying create a lead magnet, but they never tell you what it is actually and what it does. So in this video, I will show you how to design one in just 15 minutes using Canva. And I will even link my favorite free templates below. A lead magnet is just something valuable you give to your audience for free in exchange for email so that you can promote your later offers for fitness creators like you. This could be a quick meal prep guide, a 3-day or 7-day workout plan, or even a gym bag carry chest. So let me just log into Canva and show you exactly how you can create. Once into Canva, search for fitness ebooks, and if you prefer, you could go with categories and styles, etc. So here, तो नहीं चाहिए elseable and style में, and in style you could go with anything you like. I would go here with something dark, and here you can see that there are lots and lots of free and paid templates. So let's find one. Okay, let's go with this. Just load it. Upon loading, you will get an interface like this, and here you don't have to do anything special. Just replace these words, these symbols, and your PDF will be ready. So let me create a fat loss video, fat loss lead magnet for a fat loss video. Just find a great title for it, which could be shred your fat or shred your weakness. This looks good. You can adjust it like this, and your cover is almost done. Change the changes here. Allow the power off. White noise tips to transform your life. That's simple. Now for this part, we could go to elements, search something like lean, photo graphics, and you can find something where like this looks good, but we need something more accurate. Okay, if this doesn't work, we will go with add loss. On this image, shall I? And you could place it here. But this is the problem of the Canva overlay, so we will just remove it and find something other, something else. And this too doesn't work, so we will go with something dumbbells. These dumbbells look good, or who can go with this too? No watermarks, and it fits it very well. Rotate it a bit, and you got your poster ready. Now here you can write some info. And for this, just copy this font, put here, click duplicate, and can get that word here. Illustrated basics of fat loss. And now you could just duplicate it, place it here, reduce the size so that it fits the text hierarchy. Eat more, eat, eat less, and move more. Make it a bullet point, and then you got the first one ready. Here's eat less and move more. Now for some another point. Place it right below it and enter another fact. I have both protein and less carbs in its standard. And just like this word is not fitting, I will just delete one from it. Now bullet doesn't fit it, so I will just remove that from this point also. Remember to keep everything in a flow and a sync. The more protein and less carbs. Another fat could be fats are important for hormone regulation. And to fit this in, I will just align it like this so it fits better. If we are ready with 3 points, you can add more if you like. I will do here. Which could be prioritize heavy lifting to preserve muscle. Now a last point, which will be something track your macros. The lead magnet is ready. Or you could just, if you want some more bullets, you can add a circle, place it here, zoom it in, place it just here. Now it looks like a bullet point, but as it's big, I'm gonna reduce its size. Oh, and now it looks more like a bullet. And from there, we can just duplicate it with only placed. And here it is. Your lead magnet is ready and you can just export it from here. Click share and download. Go to PDF standard and you could export it. Now you've got a lead magnet which you could push through your content, get more emails and promote your offers more violently. And as promised, I have pinned some of my most favorite Canva templates below in the description. So you can share them out. And if you want to know the right content strategy to push your lead magnet or any other product of yours violently, just check this video right here and it will teach you how to do exactly that.